What's the meaning of consolatory? Consolatory. Consolatory.
Consolatory. Consolatory. The term consolatory refers to something that provides comfort or relief to someone who is experiencing sadness or distress. It can refer to words, actions, or objects that are intended to ease someone's suffering or offer them solace. Consolatory gestures may include a sympathetic hug, a kind word, or a thoughtful gift. The goal of consolatory measures is to help individuals feel less alone in their pain and to provide a sense of hope or encouragement as they move forward.